With COVID-19 still on the loose, the president of the Guyana Teachers Union, Mark Light, is not convinced that now is the time for the Ministry of Education to drop its guard in protecting the well-being of students as they propel towards the reopening of schools on the 25th of April, 2022. According to Light, the reported figures of the local COVID-19 situation is not sufficient to present an accurate picture, and so the onus is on the government to ensure that the full-fledged return to the classroom does not result in another outbreak.
In spite of, us asking government to relook at their policy with the reopening of school, there was still that drive to have schools open as though there was no pandemic. Whether the numbers that we're hearing about recently are accurate or not, we are not sure because we're hearing about a low number. But our concern is to have school reopen fully would be like bringing everyone back out, having children sit two in a bench, and therefore we can have another spike.
Light is therefore adamant that the phased reopening with the rotation system should continue a while longer.
So you can have rotation, as we've been having, which seemingly has worked. But if you bring all the children back, then you are forcing schools to have two children sit in a bench, and in some instances three. Because I received a memo coming out of one of the regions that said school will reopen and the conditions will be pre-COVID conditions. And what existed pre-COVID? Children were seated 2 and 3 in a bench.
Secretary of the Guyana Teachers Union, Coretta MacDonald, is also not in agreement with the full-fledged reopening of schools and additionally is pleading with the Ministry of Education to ensure the learning environment is safe and ready.
We cannot and we would not say to the Ministry of Education and the general public out there that we should not have face-to-face classes. What we are saying is that we should sit and look at what is happening and devise a way that would make face-to-face learning safer.
This is Tarik Braithwaite reporting for HGP Nightly News.